National Centre for Additive Manufacturing is a research and technology organisation that focuses on additive manufacturing, and we're based at the Manufacturing Technology Centre here in Coventry. We focus specifically on AM. We have the aim of accelerating the adoption of AM within the UK. The Centre supports a wide variety of industries, including aerospace, space, defence, power and energy, motorsport, automotive and medical, to name just a few.
We're currently transitioning from a research-focused workshop environment into a more production-focused environment. And we cater for a wide range of customer requirements, from parameter development all the way through to component builds. The AMPro has allowed us to replace a selection of different sieving and conveying units with one standard offering, which ultimately improves efficiency by having the one standard process for sieving. It's very easy to change material. We have 4 AMPros and we have much more than 4 materials, so the ability to be able to change that material really quickly is really important. We also deal with reactive and non-reactive powders, so the ability to inert the AMPro to deal with those reactive powders and preserve the powder quality is very important. The AMPro has transformed the operator involvement in the powder handling process. If we take the Carpenter Additive specific AMPro, we use this with our M400 machine to qualify powder for reuse. Prior to the introduction of this, there was a separate sieving and conveying unit. This involved conveying into a number of different powder containers, which then had to be transferred to the sieve. The AMPro is 4 times more efficient. You've also got the efficiency of being able to leave the sieve running, so the operator can undertake other tasks at the same time. Because we deal with so many different materials, there's a real risk of contamination, whereas with the AMPro we've been able to negate that risk and ultimately improve our adherence to standards, as well as greatly improve safety. There's much less involvement in the sieving process, there's less containers to move, and ultimately it's a fully enclosed system, so there's much less exposure to metal powders.
We were so delighted to work on this collaboration. Russell Finex identified correctly there was a lot of challenges in adopting powder bed fusion technologies.
We've had some great support during training, commissioning and installation, as well as the ongoing support ensuring our operators are skilled enough to use the equipment.
We worked in collaboration to test out their prototype machines and feed back some of that information to make the end product better. We thought that was really fitting with what our aims and values were. And so having a bit of kit that can not only be used across a wide variety of metal powder bed machines, but also do that repeatably and reliably is really important to our projects and the end output to our customers.